First, to stop the water pump and product, to disconnect the power supply. 1. Press the lid. 2. Twist the lid 10 degrees clockwise. Turn counterclockwise to detach the nut. Cut at about 1.5 cm from water flow switch. Strip the wire by 2 cm. New water flow switch. Insert the wire with same color into terminal. Press with tool. Align the slot of water flow switch with protrusion. Press with finger and turn clockwise. To tighten the nut, refer above picture to check if the impeller blade is maximally open or not. One. Check terminals of wherein PCBA are securely inserted. 2. Tidy up the wires before assembly in case of extrusion. 1. Press the lid. 2. Twist the lid 10 degrees counterclockwise.